Welcome to week 5 of writing proposals and grants. This week we're focused on prospect research. One of the most important things you need to do as a grant writer is be able to find new prospects for your nonprofit to apply to. So nonprofits always need new sources of funding. Some foundations change their priorities. Some foundations don't renew grants. So you always want to bring new prospects into the mix. What you'll learn this week is how to use the foundation directory. It is a tool, one of the most important tools in the field for finding prospects, for doing research on who's funding grants in what areas. So that's what we're working on. You'll see in the lecture this week that there's a link to the library. The way you're going to access the foundation directory is through the NYU library. The NYU library has a subscription to the foundation directory. As a student, you can access it. Now, there's a link in the lecture. That may or may not work for you. You might have to go directly to the library, search for the foundation directory under databases, and access it that way. You also can ask, if you have any difficulty finding it, use the chat box to ask one of the librarians to help you. They're excellent at finding this research. They'll find it in 3 seconds flat for you. You want to do that first thing in the week. So I'm gonna really encourage you this week to try to access the database on Monday or Tuesday. Send me a note after that confirming that you can access the foundation directory. You don't want to wait till Sunday to do this, because on Sunday, if you can't get into the directory, you can't do your assignment. So do your assignment early this week. You're going to be looking for new prospects for your nonprofit. So the lecture has a lot of information about how to do searches, how to do a pathway search, how to do a grant maker search. Do that early in the week. Make sure you've identified all your prospects. There's also an Excel chart format that I'd like you to use when you present what you found out. Make sure you don't leave out why did you prioritize. So in your assignment, you're going to find 10 new foundations, hopefully who've not given to your nonprofit, or at least not given in the last 3 years. You're going to prioritize them by A, B, or C, and you're going to let me know what reason you chose to prioritize them by A, B, and C. Don't leave out the last column of the sample chart that I have in the instructions. So make sure you read the instructions before you do the assignment. So that's your assignment this week. Again, if you have questions, send me an email. If you have questions about accessing the database, go to the librarians. If you have questions about how to use the database once you've gotten access to it, come to me and I will answer any questions that you have. So I look forward to seeing what you come up with this week, and have a great week.